Number 1. Fronius. Fronius inverters have kept up with the best position for the last 8 years, since the release of the snap-in plan in 2012. These Austrian-made inverters have turned into the inverter of choice for residential and commercial installation, in addition to the extraordinary help from the Fronius support group. Nonetheless, the appeal for the famous single-stage Fronius Primo inverters utilized for private establishments has brought about some issues, and there have been a few minor flaws. And they managed to solve the issue immediately. An extra free additional 5 years warranty of the inverter, which gives a complete 10-year guarantee to their customers. One reason for Fronius dependability and execution is because of the dynamic cooling system integrated into all Fronius snap-in inverters. Units that A has a dynamic cooling system was released early in 2021. The fan cooling system extricates heat at a higher rate, which lessens warm pressure and can increase the power yield and high surrounding temperatures after the power needs to be lessened to prevent increase of temperature. This is where the cooling system helps increase reliability and performance. Other features is the built-in DC isolator device, a very unique design and simple. Number 2. Solar Edge. Over the past few years, Solar Edge inverters have gained popularity in Australia, the USA, and other countries due to their distinctive design that uses DC optimizers to provide power optimization and control at the individual solar panel level. There are many different sizes of lightweight Solar Edge HD Wave, SEH series, inverters, ranging from 2.5 kilowatts to 10 kilowatts. An additional DC optimizer must be put on each panel for all Solar Edge inverters. The optimizers execute a portion of what a traditional string inverter would do, but they also offer power optimization and panel level monitoring in addition to other advantages. The optional Wi-Fi on Solar Edge inverters works with the optimizers to deliver power output information for each panel separately. This is excellent for fault identification, especially for installers, and wonderful for system monitoring.